Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 6 and Day 9. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear children? Yes, first of all, I will teach you a phonic session. In today's phonic session, shall we recap the words, letters and sentences, okay? What are the sentences made of, my dear children? What are the sentences made of? The sentences made of words. Do you know that? Yes. What are the words made of? What are the words made of, my dear kids? Yeah, letters. Letters, right? What do letters make? They make sounds. Once again, what are the sentences made of? The sentences made of words. Words made of the letters. Letters make, what do letters make? They make sounds. Do you remember that? Yeah, great, my dear children. What are the sentences made of? The sentences made of words. The words made of letters. Letters make sounds. Yes. Now shall we do one worksheet from this related? Yeah. Now you will open your workbook. Worksheet number 12, question number 2, page number 41. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. See this, my dear children. This is the worksheet number 12. Question number 2. Sort into a correct category. Right? See this. Here having some tabular columns, letters, words, sentences. Here they are mixing that. Letters, words, sentences. Right? Yes. First of all, we have to identify the letters. We have to write down here. Okay? What are that? Can you say? Yes. D, U, J and R. So you have to write down here. Next, words. That, cap, tree. Here you have to write that words. Next sentences. This is my house. You have to write here. Raj runs fast. I have a pet cat. You have to write here. Okay? Yes. So, shall we write now? I will show you the answer. You have to pause this video and then write down. See this, my dear children. D, U, J and R. That, cap, tree. This is a words, sentences. This is my house. Raju runs fast. I have a pet cat. So, you will complete your worksheet from this in your home. You want to write this means what you have to do? Pause this video and then write. Now you will open your SR book, SR 11, page number 35. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. See this, my dear children. This is the page number 35. 8-word family. See this. There are some sentences given below from each word family box. Right? We will read the sentences and while we are reading, we will circle the 3-letter words that we have learnt. Okay? Are you ready? Now you have to take your ruled pencil. We will read the sentences. Here having any 3-letter word, what we have learnt, we have to circle. Okay? Yes. I have I have a blue bed. I have a blue bed. Right? Here having any three-letter word? Yeah, this one you have to circle that. Next, I like it in red. I like it in red. See this, my dear children. Next, I led here to the zoo. I led her to the zoo. Which have we learned from this 8-word family? Led. Led. So you have to circle this. Next, is the cat fed? Fed. Which has that? Fed. This is a 8-word family, right? This is a 3-letter word. CVC word, right? Yeah. Next, Ned is my friend. Which word you have to circle? Ned. Ned. So you have to circle this. Yeah, great, my dear children. Do you understand? From this 8-word family, did you read this in your home? 8 family? Yes. Now shall we go to the next page? Yeah. See this next N-word family. Here, did you read this? Yes. Now we have to read this sentence. From this related 3-letter words, we have to circle. She has a green pen. She has a green pen. Which word you have to circle? Pen. Pen. Next, there are 10 rings. There are 10 rings. Which word you have to circle? 10. 10. Next, she has a hen. She has a hen. Right? Here, which one? You have to say, my dear Kate. Hen. You have to circle this hen. Next, the men play football. Men. Which word is here? Men. Next, lion lives a den. Which word? 3-letter word? Den. D-E-N. D-A-N. Den. So from these 3-letter words, you have to use your phonic sounds. After that, you have to use left hand also. Just you have to practice. Okay. P-A-N. Pen. T-A-N. Ten. H-A-N. Hen. A-N. Men. Dislike. Right? Next, shall we move to the 8-word family? Yeah. 8-word family. Here having some sentences. How you have to read this 3-letter word? Pet. P-A-T. Pet. Right? Yeah. She has a pet dog. She has a pet dog. Next, he got wed. How we have to read this 3-letter word? W-A-T. Wed. Next, I am all said. Sh-A-T. Shed. Have we met? A-T. Met. There is a black net. A-T. Net. Right? So, what we have to circle from the sentences? 8-word family. Pet, wet, set, met, net. Right? Shall we circle? Yeah, great, my dear children. This slide you have to take your rule pencil. You have to circle the CVC words. That means 3-letter words. Are you clear, my dear children? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a whole words. Today, we will be learning some new whole words. Are you ready? Yes. First of all, I will show you a flashcards. How we have to read this word? We have keep our finger left to right. Use our fingers, right? If. Can you repeat along with me? If. Could. could, could. Can you repeat along with me? Could, could. Would, would, would. Can you repeat along with me? Would. Say, say. Can you repeat along with me? Say, say. Tell, tell. Can you repeat along with me? Tell, tell. There, there, there. Can you repeat along with me? There. Our, our. Can you repeat along with me? Our, our. Once again, there, there. Yeah, great my dear children. Now I will show you a CRL. We read that whole words, right? Yeah. We have to see some sentences related that whole words. If, if trees could talk, if trees could talk. Come if you can, come if you can. Could, could. Now shall we see some example sentences. If trees could talk, if trees could talk. I could help, I could help. Would, would. They would tell us to stop, they would tell us to stop. Raj would jump, Raj would jump. Say, say. What would they say? What would they say? Say no, say no. Tell, tell. They would tell us secrets. They would tell us secrets. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. There, there. They would share their stories. They would share their stories. They would share their stories. Their house is here. Their house is here. Our. Would they be our friends? Would they be our friends? That is our house. That is our house. Yeah, great my dear children. Did you listen the whole words? Sentences also? Yes. What are that? Once again. Could, would, if, say, tell, their and our. From today's class we learned some new whole words, right? Yes. Next, I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension. Now, from this reading and listening comprehension, first of all, we will do one worksheet. You will take your workbook, worksheet number 13, question number 1, page number 42, 4 to 42. I will give you 5 seconds time. Shall I start counting? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your workbook, worksheet number 13, page number 42. See this my dear children. This is a question number 1. Sort the pictures by writing their names in the correct column. See that here giving 2 columns. Action words, that means verb, naming words, right? Naming words means what? Name of a person, place, animal or things. That is a naming words, right? Action words means verb. Yeah, first of all we will read the vocabulary words from this. Yeah. Swing, 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 Sujata, Sujata, Sujata. Next, rest, rest, rest. Think, think, think. Climb, climb. Tree, tree, tree. Yeah. First of all, can you guess the naming words from this? Yeah, what are that? Sujata and tree. Sujata and tree. This is a naming word, right? Next, action words. Verb, what are that? Swing, right? Rest, think. Next, climb. So, we have to write down here action words, verb. What are they? Swing, rest, think and climb. Next, naming words, Sujata and tree. Now, I will show you your answer. You will see that. See that, my dear children. Action words, what are they? Swing, rest, think, climb. Naming words, Sujata and tree. So, you have to take your rule pencil. You have to write this. Write neatly, okay? If you have a doubt means you will ask your mom. Just you have to pause this video and write the answers, my dear children. So, are you clear? What are the action words and naming words? Yes. Great, my dear children. Now, we have to recap the events and retelling, okay? What are the events? Do you remember that? Yeah, the important things which happen in the story are called events. The important things which happen in the story are called events. What does the retelling meaning? What does the retell means, my dear children? Yeah, when you tell the event of your story, you already know, right? For the example, if you go to the temple yesterday, right? Just we have to recall today what we learned yesterday, right? That is called retelling. It means you are a retelling it. You went to temple yesterday. Today you have to share with your friend. Yesterday I went to the temple. What are they did there, right? Just you have to share that. That is a retelling, right? Once again, when you tell the events of your story, you already know. It means you are retelling it, right? Yes. Shall we see the examples now? Now, you will open your SR book, page number 32. Be friends with a tree. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. Yeah, great, my dear children. Did you read this story in your home? Be friends with a tree? Yes. After finishing this day, just you have to say your mom or dad or your sister. You have to retell this story. Okay? What happened from this story? That means retelling. Right? Already in the story நீங்க படிச்சிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? Just you have to retell this story from your sister. உங்க சிஸ்டர்ட்ட இந்த ஸ்டோரி பத்தி சொல்ல போறீங்க. That is a retelling. Shall I say that now? Yeah. I read on story yesterday. What are that? Be friends with the tree. Shall I say that now? Yeah. That has a Sujata is a character name. She has a many tree friends, right? She wants to eat fruits means she goes to a tree. She wants to rest means she also goes to the tree. And also she has to climb means she will go to a tree. That like, right? She will go to a tree. 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 She Just you have to retell the story. This is the example for that. Okay. Now you have to share your story with your sister or mummy, my dear children. That is called retelling. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. Now I will teach you a grammar session. From this part, shall we see the proper and common noun? Proper and common naming words, shall we see that? See this, common and proper naming words. You have to say common naming words. Yeah, girl or boy. That are the common naming word, right? Proper naming means we have to say the girl name. Sadhana, Raja, like that, right? See that. Common naming words means any person, place, animal or thing. Proper naming means specific. We have to specific name of a person, place, animal or thing. See the example, girl. Girl means common naming words. We have to say that name. Sujata means proper naming word, right? School. School means all school having. Konga school means only one, right? From this Chenimalai. Dog. Dog means common naming word. Bruno means proper naming word. Chocolate. We saw many chocolate. But Cadbury chocolate we need to means that is a proper naming word. Right? Are you clear, my dear children? Common and proper naming words? Yes. Now shall we do one worksheet from that? Proper and common naming words related? Yes. Now you will take your workbook, worksheet number 13, page number 42. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. See this, my dear children. Short word into the correct category. Right? Here mixing proper naming words and common naming words. Before we do this worksheet, we will see one CRL. I show you. Okay? Just you have to open this. See this, short into a correct category. Proper naming words, common naming words. Let us see how to short these words. See the first word, Rahul. Rahul is a common naming word or proper naming word. Here giving a name. So that is a proper naming word. See that. So Rahul is a someone's name. So it is a proper naming word. It is a proper naming word. So we write it in the first column. Rahul. We want to write it in the first column. Now let us see a second word, rat. So rat is a proper naming word or common naming word. It is a common naming word. So we put the second column. We put it in the second column. Now shall we do the remaining words? Yes. See that. Rahul, rat, tree, Mogan, Seema, clads, puja, rings, paper and park. Proper naming words here. Rahul, Mogan, Seema and puja. Common naming words. Rat, tree, clads, ring, paper and park. So are you clear? Proper naming words and common naming words? Yes. Now shall we do that worksheet? Are you ready? Yes. See that. Rahul, rat, tree, Mohan, Seema, clads, puja, ring, paper, park. So you have to write this two columns. Proper naming words means you have to write this column. Common naming words means you have to write this column. Okay. I will show you the answer, my dear children. You will write that. Yeah, see this, my dear children. This is the answer for this. You have to pause this video. Already you know that. If you see the answer means you have to pause this video and write that. Great, my dear children. Are you clear? Proper naming words and common naming words. This is a grammar part. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now I will teach you your next session, writing and speaking expression. From today's class, we have to think and draw. We read the story about a boy who wonders if tree would you like to be our friend. If trees would like to be our friend. Do you know that? Do you like tree friends? Yes. Do you think tree friends would like to be our friend? Yeah, great. From this world, man does not realize that trees are our friends and give us many things. We just cut these trees of our own needs. மரங்களெல்லாம் இப்போ வெட்டிட்டு தானே இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? They just cut the trees for our own needs. அவங்களோட தேவைகளுக்காக அவங்க மரங்களை என்ன பண்றாங்க? வெட்டுறாங்க இல்லையா? This is wrong. இப்படி செய்யக்கூடாது, right? So we should not cut trees but protect them, right? So we should not cut trees but protect them. Today we will draw on a topic, save trees. Okay, today we will draw on a topic, save trees. How you have to save your trees? Yeah, in your home, உங்க வீட்ல கொஞ்சம் place விட்டு you have to do that. எப்படி? This topic you have to think and draw, my dear children. So you have to use this topic, you have to draw in your workbook. Now you have to take your workbook, worksheet number 14, question number 1, page number 43. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. See this, my dear children. What is the topic? Draw and label a poster and save trees. How you have to save your trees? You have to draw this. This is a homework for you, okay? You have to ask your mom or dad. You have to draw here, okay? Draw and label a poster and save trees, okay? Yes. Yeah, very good, my dear children. Next, I will teach you upper and lower case letters Q and R. Listen to the board. Listen carefully, my dear children. First of all, I will write an uppercase letter Q. Q. What is that letter? Q. What is that letter? Q. Uppercase letter Q. Q after R. Q after R. This is an uppercase letter Q and R. Then lowercase letter Q. Lowercase letter Q. Q after R. Q after R. Lowercase letter R. So see this, my dear children. This is the upper and lower case letter Q and R. Now you will take your notebook. You will write each one line for every letter. Each letter you have to write one line. Upper case letter Q R. Then lower case letter Q and R. So from this you will write your notebook one line. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us recall from today's class what we learned from today. From this phonics part, we recap the words, letters and sounds. After that, we did one worksheet. Then whole words. Today we learned some new whole words. If, could, would, say, tell, there and our, right? After that, reading and listening comprehension, we did one worksheet, right? Action words and naming words. Do you remember that? Yes. Then we have to discuss about the Be Friends, that tree. You have to retell that story from your mom or dad or your sister, okay? Yes. Next, grammar part. We recap the proper and common naming words. After that, we did one worksheet. Do you know that? Yes. Then, writing and speaking expression. Save trees. This topic you have to draw and label your worksheet. And also writing and speaking expression. We wrote the upper and lower case letters Q and R. You will write your notebook each letters for one line. So this two in your homework today, my dear children. Yeah, bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Be safe.